So hello guys, now the first you have to do upload a video on the mobile or on the laptop. I'm using the mobile, so suppose I upload this video. Now I have to click next. This baby video, I will click on next and just sound, text, timeline we will do later. Okay, now the first thing you see the title. So in the title, for the title we have to use one application. Its name is Tag You. I already downloaded, so you search on Play Store and you will get it. Open it, and once you open this application, oh, there are ads. This is the problem. So once you will open the application, you will find this. So whatever title you want, you just write here. The title is very important, so select the title very carefully. I will show you how can you select the title. Now we are searching the title. Suppose you want to make this title babysitting and playing. I click on check and it will give you the result. So you can drag from left to right or right to left. There are some titles, you will find it. You can select any of the title. These are the top titles what the people use on YouTube. So now you will select one of it. I'm searching which title is good for my video. You can drag from left to right or right to left and you will find it. For the copy means you have to copy this title, so you will click on any of the title, it will be copy automatically. Suppose I select this baby twice, or I select the other one, suppose this one. Okay, now it's copied already. I will come here, I will go to find competitors, because I have to know who is my competitor and what title they are using. So once you will write this title here, so it will show all the top title, top YouTuber title. See, these are the titles what usually people search, and the successful YouTubers use these titles. So again, I can select any of the title from here and copy. You can drag right to left, left to right, up down if there are too many. You can see the title ups what we search, baby sleep music or whatever. So suppose I select this one, it will copy automatically. Now I have to go to YouTube Studio again on my mobile, and here I will paste this title. I can press the space button and put danda. Danda means the line between the title, because we have to write another title also. So you can get this from the keypad on your keyboard. You will press the number and again you will press the number, so you will find this line. So like this, I select some other one. I will go to YouTube Studio. I will paste it here, or you can write it manually. There is a limit. There are the words limit. These words, any 100 or 72 or 120, it's written there. So you cannot exceed the limit. I show you, suppose again, if I select another title and I will paste it. If your title is small, so no problem, you can use too many. But if your titles are big, so it will take more space. So again I will press space, put danda, then again I will select one of the title from here. and paste it here. Now you will see it will give me the error. I exceeded the limit because this title is too big. So I have to be in limits, and otherwise I cannot upload it. It will give me the error. Means you can see the upload shot or whatever you are uploading. It's because this video is small, so it's going to short if your video is long, so it will disable this button upload. So you must remove and keep in the YouTube criteria. So I am erasing this all. Also I will erase this danda. I erase this. I went to filter, and from the filter in short time view count we will do it, and update date anytime, and then apply. So when we will click on apply, this year update date this year, so now it will show us all the top ranking video for this year. So here in every video, after every video you will see three dots. So we will click on these three dots and click on share and copy link. And once we copy this link, we will go to again the tag you, click here get text from URL, the third one on right hand side, and here you will paste it and click on check. So it will show you the result for this tag. So again you can copy and paste the tags here, and this tag will help you to boom your video. Just put comma after each tag. So that comma means separate, yani this tag is separate than this one. So when we put any of the tag, we put comma and then we put another tag. So you can see now this is the one tag, baby videos for babies to watch, animation for kids. Okay, no, this I put the wrong one. Okay, now we have to go to again YouTube, and we will click on these three dots again, copy, share, or whatever. Okay, after all these things I write my title here. Whatever my title is, suppose sleeping music for babies, I write this title. Okay, and when I write down, so you will see when you write any of the title on YouTube, too many title comes related from that title. Suppose if I write sleeping music for babies, so now once I will start writing, too many titles will come. So I have to take the screenshot for this. So later on I can use these as text or in the description. Okay, this title we have finished. Now in the add description here we will paste it. After I will write the same title what I have and paste this and one. After that you can write this, you can what you took the screenshot, too many your searches, all the screenshot titles what you took it now. You can paste it here. I put comma one by one. So what will happen, and now after in that their searches paste this, it will show your video. Guys, if you also have any problem, so you can ask me. Yes, I am writing down here. This is very important, and you have you will not write the same thing. This all screenshot what you copied, all you the will ways put it all the method
one by
so
one.
I'm 100% sure your video will be
Okay.
viral. Okay,
So
so
don't write this also this
now we
whatever
did
I am
this.
writing.
After
Okay.
that,
After that, we will have to give the hashtag. This is very important. So
just
you
1 minute.
hashtag the video viral video or baby viral video means related from your topic. What you think it will give boom to your channel. Baby sleeping, suppose for example. Without space again hash and baby play in baby playing. And again hashtag you will write your channel name. You must write your channel name also. Okay. Also you can write hashtag viral videos or whatever you think this is important for your channel because there is no limit. Okay, now for the thumbnail. The thumbnail, whatever you created, you just you will upload it. Try to search good thumbnail for top YouTubers and try to make better than this because thumbnail is very important also. Now we did this title, we did this description, we added the text. Now visibility should be public every time. Now the select audience. We will select the audience and it should be no. It's not for made for kids. So we go back in the if you see show more. Also don't restrict my video to viewers under 18. So everyone can watch it. Now we just set the visibility. It should be public. We go back again. Now what else? If you have any of the playlist, you will put it. And then now you are saving and your video uploaded has been finished. So guys, this video I hope you like it and you have to understand each and every point, then your video will go viral and inshallah it will run. So guys, till the next video, take care, bye.